Guys, there's a new earning opportunity have been dropped in the space. Now this platform is trending on the social media, and I found out to see whether it's good or bad. But when I found out, I have seen that this project can bring something that is exciting. So if you scroll down, you can see this is the app, this is the interface, this is the review of the application. So this is how it is. So if you tap on the link, it will bring you to the here. After here, enter your username, you enter your password, confirm, and the invitation code will be automatically filled. So let me do that now. So after you have filled all your details, then you tap on I agree. So that you tap on register. So here it will let you save your password. So here you can see registration successful. So here you can see please link Google Authenticator first. So here you link Google Authenticator. If you go to Google Play Store, and you can see so this Google Authenticator, then after that you open it. So after you open the Google Authenticator, then you come back to your you come back to the website, then you tap on next. So here it will ask you to copy the private key. So here let me copy it. After copy, go to Google Authenticator. So if you open your Google Authenticator, then you add a private key. So you see a plus button on the right side of your phone. It's like a red, yellow or blue, something like that in the app. Then you add your private key and you add a name that you will be recognized with. That's just that security you are adding. So after that, then you add it. After you add it, then you copy the code and come back to the website, and you come back to enter the code here. It says this code. So here you tap on submit. So you can see here is our dashboard, right? So guys, here after you reach on the dashboard, you can see we have 1000 assets, which is $1,000. So guys, this is a new website or new opportunity that have been dropped on this video. So after you have registered like this, what you need to do is to come to the home section here. So if you come to the home section, you can see a lot of tasks here you need to do. So here 500 NEX, which is the official account, which is the X. If you complete the tasks, then you earn additional points. You will follow them so that you can get any latest update. So if you come back also, you can see you have been credited. Then you come to the their Telegram channel also. So here you will join their Telegram. If you come back, then you come to YouTube also. So YouTube, subscribe to that channel, and you come back, you will also complete. And that is how you can do also daily check-in. You can see check-in now. So guys, that is all this also it is. So and if you come to the home section here, or if you come back to, if you go to me, you can see we have 2,510 asset of dollars. And guys, this is not withdrawable. This cannot be withdrawn now. This is like airdrop we are doing. So maybe the listing or the TG will be happening in the upcoming days. And guys, if we come to the AI button here, which is the blue one, so you can see conservation cycle 1 day, we have stable cycle 7 days, balance cycle 15 days, and aggressive. So all those things are a trading stock. So you tap on the 1 day, you can see any amount you have here will be generate an income daily for you. So if you tap on the USDT, so you can see if you want to trade, minimum of USDT you want to trade is 20 USDT. So if you tap on 20 USDT, you can see the earning, the daily earning is 0.1 USDT. If you tap on 50 USDT, you can see 0.3. That is how all it is. You can come back, you will see the stable also 20% too. So if you tap on, let me 1000 USDT, you can see your daily earning is will be 59 USDT here. That's how also it is. If you come back and you check the aggressive, come back to the aggressive and tap on USDT, and maybe also the same thing. So any amount you have, you can stake here and get daily income. So guys, that's how also this project is. So after that, you have placed an order. You come to the order section to do their smart trading. What you need to do is to deposit here and click any amount you want to deposit. If you want to draw after you have earned something, you will draw it and you confirm any pen here. So guys, that's how it is now. So guys, if anything about withdrawing or converting our NEX token to USDT or any other currency or any TG, I will let you guys know on this channel. So stay tuned. This is your first time come across my channel, do to subscribe to this channel. Check the link in the description section of this video. Enjoy our Telegram channel. See you guys in my next video.